1. Recently, how many astronauts were selected for India's first manned space mission, Gaganyaan? Answers. 4. 2. Recently, which Indian cricketer was appointed as the head coach of Victoria Capitals? Answers. Sourav Ganguly. 3. Who will lead the Indian parliamentary delegation at the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference to be held in Bridgetown, Barbados? Answers. Om Birla. 4. Where did the 26th Divyakala Mela recently begin? Ans. Patna. 5. Where did Prime Minister Modi recently inaugurate the Ontasimria Ganga Bridge? Answers. Bihar. 6. Which country recently celebrated its Independence Day on 24th August? Answers. Ukraine. 7. Which Indian cricketer recently announced his retirement from all formats of cricket? Answers. Cheteshwar Pujara. 8. The Prime Minister of which country, Sitiveni Rabuka, recently came on an official visit to India? Answers. Fiji. 9. Recently, with whom did Air India sign an agreement for sustainable aviation fuel? Answers. Indian Oil. 10. Recently, where did DRDO successfully test the Integrated Air Defence Weapon System? Answers. Odisha. 11. Recently, when was the International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief celebrated? Answers. 22nd August. 12. Recently, with whom did NASA collaborate to create an advanced AI called Sun which will predict solar storms? Answers. IBM. 13. Recently, Jaswinder Bhalla passed away at the age of 65. Who was he? Answers. An actor. 14. Which country recently launched the Nusuk Umrah service? Answers. Saudi Arabia. 15. The former president of which country was recently arrested? Answers. Sri Lanka. 16. Where was the International Meeting on Public Health Research recently held? Answers. New Delhi. 17. Recently, whom did the RBI appoint as an ex officio member of the Monetary Policy Committee, MPC? Answers. Indraneel Bhattacharya. 18. Where did the Indian Army recently start the Samanvay Shakti Exercise 2025? Answers. Assam. 19. Which country recently became the first country in the Southeast Asia region to be declared free of rubella? Answers. Nepal. 20. Whose debut feature film, Shape of Momo, was selected for the Vision section of the Busan International Film Festival 2025? Answers. Harbeni Rai. 21. ISRO inaugurated a space lab in which district of Arunachal Pradesh? Answers. Shiyomi. 22. India's first hydrogen train as developed at which facility? Answers. ICF Chennai. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.